Hi everyone, I'm Shreya. Welcome to my channel. I want to ask you guys a simple question. Do you ever feel surrounded by negativity? Maybe it's from people around you, from social media, or your own thoughts. It's draining, right? I know. But here's the truth, negativity will always exist. Yes, you heard me right. What matters is how we deal with it, right? So, in today's video, I'm gonna share simple yet powerful ways to handle negativity without letting it control our lives. So, watch it out. First things first, the first step is to be aware. Ask yourself this question, where this negativity is coming from in the first place. Is it external, like from toxic people, from constant complaining or bad news, or is it internal? Self doubt, overthinking, your limiting beliefs, whatsoever. Just think about it. Because when you name it, you can face it. Or else, negativity is gonna feel like a dark cloud that just follows you everywhere. So become aware. Here's something powerful. You don't have to always absorb negativity. Sometimes you can simply observe it. Observe the difference, right? Imagine negativity as a radio station you don't like. You hear the noise, but you can always change the channel. So if someone throws negativity at you, instead of reacting immediately without thinking, just pause, breathe, and tell yourself that it is not my energy, this is their energy, and I'm not gonna drain myself, I'm not gonna waste my energy. Instead, I'm gonna bring that energy back to myself so I can feel better, so I can work better, right? You should never ever waste your energy on these shitty people. They are basically benefiting from you, and the minute you stop giving them your energy, they are done. All right, so please stop giving them your energy. Your mind is like a garden. If you keep letting weeds grow, they will simply take over, and that's why you need to guard your own space. So protect your space, protect your energy. Limit the time you spend with people who constantly complain, gossip, and bring you down. Just limit the time, right? And also protect your digital space. Unfollow all of the people, all of the content creators that do not inspire you, that do not inspire the growth out of you, right? Only follow people who inspires you, who make you feel confident, who make you feel good about yourself, and they do not make you feel insecure, right? Unfollow all of the bekar people is what I mean. On that note, I'll tell you about my favorite content creators. I have so many of them, but I'll tell you the major ones. First, Tamkor. Second, Lena Lifts. Third, The Wizardless. You must have heard about them. They are my favorite because they inspire every cell out of me. And when I say it, I mean it. Whenever I watch their content, it makes me feel good. It makes me feel that if they can make it in their life, I can also make it in my life. And they are the main reason of why I'm starting this channel. So shout out to them. I really love them. So you have to do the same. Just find people who resonate with you, like they are relatable, they make you feel good about yourself, so follow them. Now here's the real magic. Instead of fighting negativity with more negativity, respond with calmness, kindness, or silence, because sometimes silence is the loudest response, right? And when it's your own negative thoughts, counter them with gratitude. Write down few things that you are thankful for, you are grateful for, even on your worst days, because gratitude shifts the focus from what's wrong to what's right? And I'll tell you right now what things I am grateful for. So the first thing is that I am filming this video in nature. I can literally see the clouds, the weather is nice, so I am so grateful that I can see it, right? Second, I am so grateful that I have resources to film this video. The camera, the internet, everything that I have. Third, I am grateful for my family. Yes, I am really grateful for them. Sometimes love and hate relationship, but I am grateful for them. So think about things you are grateful for. At the end of the day, negativity loses its power when you strengthen your inner world. Journaling, reading positive books, meditating, practicing mindfulness, these aren't just popular feel good activities, but they genuinely help because I do it and it really helps. Also, I'll tell you, do the inner work because the stronger you are from the inside, the less the outside negativity can affect you, can impact you. So, the inner work is the major thing. Do that. And the main thing is, negativity isn't something you can completely escape, but it is something that you can learn to rise above. Don't fight it, don't fear it, just face it with awareness, right? Make yourself stronger from inside and then outside. Protect your space, and this is how you can handle negativity. So, yes, if this video helped you, subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep building.